Hello and welcome to Sutton Schoolswork Online. Sutton Schoolswork is a Christian charity that works in schools all around Sutton. Today we're going to be talking to you about values. What are the most important things to you? Here's a few examples. Communication.
Family.
Rest.
Fun.
Community.
Health. It's a bit of a weird question being asked what is most important to us. But at times of crisis, when life is difficult, as it is at the moment, it's often these times that we do discover what is most important to us. I wonder if I'd ask you the question of what are your values, what is important to you 10 weeks ago before all this pandemic stuff happened, if your answer would be any different to what it is now.
For Christians, we get our values from the Bible. These then shape us to who we are and tell us about what's important in living a Christian life. And one of the values that we wanted to talk to you about today, which is talked about a lot in the Bible, is the word hope. Hope is something that I'm sure that we all want and that we all need in a situation that seems quite dark, quite scary, where we don't know what's going to be happening next. But for Christians, we read in the book of John that Jesus is the light of the world, and that Jesus can get us through this dark time and these scary things that are going on around us. But in fact, Jesus can be that light. And here I've got a candle, and I wonder what you think about what this candle might represent. Now for Christians, this candle can represent hope. Going back to that verse in John, Jesus is the light of the world. And at the beginning of lockdown, churches all around the UK lit a candle on a Sunday night at 7 o'clock to represent that hope for the world that Christians have, and having that sense of peace that God is going to get us through this difficult time.
At the start of the video, we asked you to have a think about what is important to you. Maybe you agree with some of the things that we've shared, or maybe the things that you find most important are completely different. Why not spend some time this week thinking about the things that are most important to you? We've even provided an activity sheet here that you can fill in if that helps. It's a difficult time, and maybe some of the things that you do value, you do find most important, look different right now. Engaging and meeting up with our friends looks different. Getting on with hobbies or the other things that we enjoy might look different. If you're finding things difficult, maybe spend some time this week thinking about how creatively you can engage with those important things to you. Bye.